First fish of the day, Josh.
On Kimbo's jig.
Kimbo.
Kimbo. Friend from Narrogin.
Friend from Narrogin, okay.
This is our pinky.
Alrighty. Nice little pinky. We got the pinky. Hey, I'm on two. Hey. Sambo. What is that? Beautiful size.
What's that?
Still. Here it comes. Leader. But he got snapper. Oh, shit. Oh, bigger than Josh's. Again. Look at that. Breaksy cod on the bottom meat. Well, good variety here. There we go.
So Baba.
I think it might be a Sambo. Look at that, nice.
Holy demos.
Holy shit. Look at this. Look at the size here.
That's a dolphin.
Whew. Dolphin. All right.
Shut up and sit down.
What do you reckon, boys? There it is down there. Well, I'll give you that to you and see if we make it. There's a sign. Full drive only. Now it doesn't look very steep here, but it's, you know, with a boat pushing it down the back, you've got to go slow because otherwise we don't want to slide down the hill. Look at that. Alright, let's not hit the back. Hopefully. Listen for the scrape. Too bad at all. Alrighty.
Hang on.
Well, we're out here. It's been blowy last couple of days, but it's caught off. But again, you probably won't see it, but it's about 3-4 meter seas, and it's coming in all directions. It's like Josh is ready for the worst.
Yeah, I'll go swimming.
Hey, Josh.
Gonna go swimming.
Nah. All right, so this we just come across this. We don't have many spots out here because we haven't been out here like fishing in this boat at all. But that looks pretty juicy. So good morning, guys. Jayden just getting the weapons out, and we're going to give this a go. See how we go. Georgie,
I'm on.
you're on, buddy.
Jayden, wake up.
Jayden, wake up. Jayden, wake up. What do you got, Josh?
Maybe.
Something not bad.
Yeah, maybe pinky.
Yeah, I hope so. You know that was Jayden's day, yeah? That looks nice fish. All right. First fish of the day, Josh.
On Kimbo's jig.
Kimbo.
Kimbo. Friend from Narrogin.
Friend from Narrogin, okay.
This is our pinky.
Yeah, nice. What do you mean? Alrighty. Nice little pinky. We got the pinky. Little, nice. Hey, I'm on two. Hey, look at that. That's bit bigger. Bit bigger. Bit bigger. Look at that, eh? Woohoo! We're on. Alright. I've got to deal with this fish and I'll be back. This is Big Pinky. Big Pinky or Sambo? What is that? Sambo. Beautiful size. Woo!
All that. What's that?
Hey, mate.
What's that?
Still. Oh, what? You kept that really quiet. What's going on, hey? What's that, Joshy?
Sore tummy.
Look at the current today. The current is probably 1 to 2 knots, I reckon. Look at it. It's just going out to the right. It should be straight down, but it ain't. What do you reckon it is, bud?
Swallowtail.
Swallowtail? I don't think so. Here it comes. Leader. But he's got snapper. Hang on, hang on. Hang on.
Oh, I'm not pulling it up.
Don't pull it up. Oh, shit. Oh, that's a beautiful snapper, Jayden. Look at that. Ha, ha. Beautiful. And you know what? It's bigger than Josh's. Alrighty, well done. Beautiful start to the day. Awesome. It's hard work getting down here, but I reckon it's worth it. Again. Look at that. Breaksy cod on the bottom meat. Well, good variety here. Very nice. Very nice. You're feeling a bit sicky, buddy. You got a bit picky. Oh. It's unusual. Yeah, maybe he should have just gone to work, eh? Pricked his finger, now he's feeling sick. And he got all sympathy for you, eh, Josh?
Yeah, feel so sorry for him.
Oh, poor bastard. Here it comes. Little snap. Oh, sorry. There we go.
Go baba.
That's it. You'll have to go back. All right, next one. Good morning. How you going, mate?
Very good.
You look like shit.
Feel it there.
Making it hurt. You gonna bring it in or what? I don't know what it is, but
Big Dewey.
I hope so.
He's going backwards.
I know. Hey?
So if this isn't a big Sambo, it's a Dewey.
What does it feel like, a Sambo? Oh. There goes the... Oh, it just cut right out. Blowing the fuse.
It's got a bit hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big Sambo.
It is, isn't it?
Holy,
much.
holy demos.
Holy shit. Look at this size.
What a freight train.
Wow. Right. Look at this. Oh, look at the size of it.
That's a dolphin.
Whew. Dolphin. All right. Jayden, what do you got? Dewey? We need a Dewey in our basket. Got a few fish. Woohoo! You reckon it's a Dewey, eh? Yeah?
Well, cuttlefish?
Nah.
I don't know. It's not really doing much anymore. It must be a Dewey.
Dewey? Alright, I hope so. Calls for Dewey, we haven't got one, so yeah, I lost one before, so I reckon that's Jayden's fish now. Hey Josh. Oh,
Yeah, good.
you lost it. You lost it.
Nice looking Dewey. Well, no one else saw it. That yellow thing.
Look at that, something else grabbed your fish. Or did it just wake up?
No. Weirdest fight I've ever had in my life.
I would say colour, I wouldn't say the top, but is it a big pinky? I think it might be a Sambo. Little Sambo, that's right, get him in. Yeah, there's my fish. Look at that. That's a big, big breaksea cod.
Imagine that, that's pretty big.
Well, at least I got him twice. Alright, whew, next one.
For number 5.
Oh, Sambo. Killing me.
Sambo. That's definitely a Sambo if you ever seen one.
These things just getting bigger and bigger. I didn't realise it's caught up until halfway up, and now he's taking another 25-30 metres.
See this one later.
That's the result. They got little lights so that you can see him. They're coming out of his nose. Or her nose. Yeah. Oh, Joshy's on. You on, Joshy? Alrighty. Well, today has been whew,
A workout.
unreal. Woo. Now this guy, he's got to go back. Just watch your foot there. And I'll throw him back. All right, what do you get, Joshy? Oh, right, this is what we do. Boom. Goodbye, Charlie. See you later. Oh, little pinky. Look at that, nice. What do you got?
Oh god, a Sambo.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Maybe I don't know. Well, about time I caught 5, so it's about time you caught a few.
Sure.
Oh well.
We'll be up in about
That's
20
Sambo. Josh should be about 20 minutes. Yeah, shit. May the force be with you, mate.
Thanks.
What happened, Josh?
What happened?
What happened, mate?
It went snap snap. But that's good to save my muscles.
Well, you look a lot better, Jayden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The way.
Beautiful. We were talking about the beautiful backdrop, mate. So we're coming in. We got to retrieve the boat from over there. We're back in. Yeah, big rock there, eh? Well, didn't want to hit that one. Alright guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you next one. Until then, take care, stay safe.